To do that is quite simple. Once you go into Teams, you click on Calendar, which is on the left-hand side of Teams. The calendar appears. On the right-hand side, click where it says New Meeting. Now, this is the template we need to fill in order to be able to invite people to the meeting. Now, let's add our title. The next thing we need to do is to add information about the people that we want to invite. You could type in their names, or their emails, or their phone numbers. Let us use email. This is the email of the person I'm inviting. If you want, you can go on and add other emails as well. Then now you choose the date and time of the meeting. For instance, we can choose for the meeting to take place on the 30th of the month. We can choose the time. In this case, let me choose 9 a.m. Now, we choose for how long the meeting is going to take place. For instance, we can choose that not how long it will take place, but until what time. Now, let's say the meeting takes place from 9 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. If the meeting you are setting up is something that can take place all the day, you can toggle this button here. But in our own case, the meeting is going to take place for 90 minutes. Now we can add the location. Let's say online. Let us add some comment. After that, there are other settings you can choose from here, like who can be present, who can bypass the lobby. Once you fill in all the information, you can go on and click send. Now that the meeting has been sent, we've got all the information here. You can go on and copy this link and send it to those to whom you want to invite to the meeting. Now, if you want to view the meeting, you remember it was set for 30th of the month. So we can go on and choose 30th of the month. Now you can see the meeting starting from 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. So setting up a team meeting is quite simple. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.